To set the endpoints for the steering servo, go to Setup, Model Control, Servo Motor PWM Outputs, then Servo Out A. Here we can see 4 sliders. The first one, named Output Value, shows us the physical position of the servo. The second one, named Set Center, is basically used for steering trim. The third one, named Set Minimum, is used to set left endpoint. The fourth one, named Set Maximum, is used to set the right endpoint. Let's set left endpoint first. Move the steering wheel all the way to the left. To increase the movement of the servo, adjust the left endpoint slider. Keep an eye on the servo to monitor when it is approaching its physical limit. If it seems close to reach the limit, reduce the movement slightly to ensure there is no strain on the mechanism. Then move the steering wheel all the way to the right and repeat the same process to set the right endpoint by moving the fourth slider. You can now move the steering wheel to its neutral position and click Auto Center. This will roughly adjust the neutral point of the steering wheel, but for more precise adjustment, you can readjust it later while driving in a straight line. When the model is taken off the stand and placed on the ground, a strange oscillation might appear in the system. Don't be confused, this is simply because the force feedback gain is set too high or natural damping at the steering wheel is too low. During driving, everything will feel smooth and natural. Check tutorial number 5 to set the brake and throttle.